Let's see what energies are coming towards the collective. Let's see. This is going to be for Monday, the 11th through the 15th. The energies that are coming towards the collective, Monday, the 11th and the 15th, pertaining to what these energies want. Let's see. What's coming towards the collective, Monday, the 11th through the 15th. Hopefully you guys are well, you're rested. Thank you so much for all the subscribers. I appreciate you. I appreciate your support. At this time, I'd like to say a quick disclosure. I do curse, I do speak the truth, and I do call out names and guide it too. Divine Creator of all living things, protect myself and the collective during this reading, all readings, and all the time. Ashe. Provide both myself and the collective with clear and concise messages. Ashe. Provide both myself and the collective with clarity, guidance, intuition, wisdom, and discernment. Ashe. Divine, please keep the collective and myself with love, harmony, tranquility, and prosperity in our lives. Ashe. And return any and all negativity to the sender as I am ordained to do so, as we both, myself and the collective, clear, cancel, and release. Ashe. Collective, let's see what's coming towards you. So the moon comes out. So there could be some sort of hidden information coming towards you. Okay. Some sort of illusion could be coming towards you. I feel like your subconscious is going to pick up on that though. The unseen, the unknown, right, is coming towards you. We rebuke all confusion, okay, secrets, and any sort of complex. Let's see, I want to put it here. Oh, nope. That's too far away. Okay. So the moon is coming towards you. Divine, clarify the moon. Clarify the moon. Clarify the moon. Okay. There's going to be several choices coming here in here with the Seven of Cups. Okay. You're going to have to make some sort of decision, I feel. There's different types of opportunities here. It's going to be many options coming towards you. What is this moon in the Seven Cups? What is this moon in the Seven Cups? Pertaining to the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Capricorn energies out here, Pisces energy and Scorpio. So Three of Pentacles in reverse. All about some sort of disharmony. Maybe some disharmony that you've experienced. Someone working alone. I feel like this is a group of people. Some sort of poor work quality. Office politics could be coming towards you this week. What is this moon? The Seven of Cups and Three of Pentacles in reverse. Pertaining, and it came out on the side, but pertaining to someone's hard work, somebody's mastery of something. High standards and commitment, expertise, staying focused. Somebody's workmanship, something's coming towards you pertaining to your workmanship or somebody else's workmanship. Take it how it resonates. Flip the roles as you see fit. What is this moon and Seven of Cups? What is this moon and Seven of Cups, Divine? What is this moon and Seven of Cups? The world. Some sort of completion. You completed a cycle here. It feels like it was a karmic cycle. Something that was hidden from you comes to the light pertaining to a circumstance. There could be some choices. It could have been pertaining to many circumstances, many different circumstances, situations. With this world card out here, the bigger picture, some sort of fulfillment or harmony, some sort of agreement possibly being made coming at you this week. What is the Seven of Cups and the Three of Pentacles in reverse? What is the Seven of Cups and Three of Pentacles in reverse? Hmm. I'll say it. I'm gonna take it. Temperance. Temperance energy here. Come on, thank you. Some sort of balance is coming in for you this week with the Seven of Cups and the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Some sort of harmony, peace, tranquility. Well, Empress energy out here. Some sort of abundance is out here pertaining to this Three of Pentacles in the reverse and this, what is that? Eight of Pentacles in the upright. Empress energy out here. Some sort of abundance. Care and nurturing energy is here. What is the world in temperance? Let's see. I feel like what's happening is someone's approaching you pertaining to some things that you brought to their attention. I know that for a fact. There were things that were in the dark. There were things that were hidden from you. Something you were going through. Yeah, pertaining to a thief, deception, dishonesty. This world and temperance is about some sort of deception and dishonesty that was happening. Betrayal, manipulation. With the world and temperance. You were trying to stay harmonious with something someone was stealing from you with that. And when I say stealing, like stealing your energy, trying to take you down a notch, scheming, strategizing against you, being very cunning. I feel like you took a dirty offer pertaining to a job, person, place, thing, relationship, situation, circumstance. It was a manipulative offer. It wasn't a real offer. Yeah. Lovers in reverse. Very imbalanced here is what I'm getting. Something was very imbalanced. You knew it. And then the Two of Pentacles came out. You were juggling a lot, trying to make decisions, weighing up your options, multiple priorities and choices again with that Seven of Cups. There seems to be some kind of conversation. Yeah. Strength card comes out. So you're going to have to be courageous this week. Someone could come in trying to persuade you about something. Could be some sort of persuasion here with that strength card. There may even be some sort of compassion shown. What are the signs we have out here? Capricorn, Aquarius, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo. What's the outcome of this energy for this week for my collective? What's the outcome of this energy from the 11th to the 15th? What's the outcome? Divine, what's the outcome this week for this energy? Five of Wands. There could be some type of conflicts or different disagreements between you and yourself, a group of people, some sort of challenges and obstacles, some type of competitiveness here. Let me see something. What is this Two of Cups, Strength and Wands? Yeah. Some sort of heartache. You're trying to juggle I feel like emotions are right here. You know, you're going to be trying to hold yourself back. Somebody's juggling something here. There may be some conflicts between a group of people. There could be some heartbreaks. What is this? Two of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Strength card. Okay. You're waiting on some sort of resolution. That's what I'm hearing. Waiting on a resolution, some sort of foresight here pertaining to possibly awaiting results of a decision, some sort of decision. You're going to be waiting on the results of some sort of decision. This could be pertaining to your job. This could be pertaining to jobs. And then what is this? The Knight of Swords falls out here. So it's all about fast movement here. Something's coming in fast. Fine. What's this overall energy? What is this? Judgment. Some sort of judgment is here. A final decision being made. A wake-up call to whomever this is pertaining to, possibly to yourself, but there's a wake-up call here. Yeah, there is judgment. There is a wake-up call. I feel like this is pertaining to let me see. Yeah. Something you may have manifested, some type of new beginning that's coming in for you. This may be something that can be coming in for you this week. What is this Judgment, Fool, and Page? Oh, sorry, I didn't let you see. Yeah. So this Fool energy right here, it's all about, you know, innocence, new beginning, something new could be coming in, a new path. And then you have the Page of Pentacles here, some sort of manifestation, some sort of financial opportunity, or an offering of a gift. What is this Judgment, Fool, and Page of Pentacles? Judgment, Fool, and Page of Pentacles. The Six of Wands and the Two of Wands. So some sort of success, some sort of recognition, an agreement, some sort of action, some sort of reward coming in. You'll be able to make choices and decisions. Some of you may be at a crossroads of if you should stay or if you should go. What is this overall outcome? Overall outcome. Some of you may not be satisfied or not feel fulfillment with this Four of Cups, Cancerian energy. You could contemplate this. What is this Four of Cups? What is this Four of Cups? A boss figure coming towards you. Masculine energy here. This Four of Cups could be pertaining to your boss at your job, an outcome of a situation. You may not be satisfied. You may even be this energy. Emperor energy is Aries. What is this Four of Cups and Emperor's energy? What is this Four of Cups and Emperor energy? What's this Four of Cups and Emperor energy? What's this Four of Cups and Emperor energy? Four of Cups and Emperor energy. Ace of Cups. There's some sort of passion moving towards you, possibly, with the Ace of Cups. Some sort of new emotion and love. You may be meeting someone this week. Somebody could be coming towards you. Your boss may even let you know they like you. Oh, yeah, there's some sort of new beginning. Yeah, there's some sort of new beginning that's coming in. You're letting go of something due to a manipulation. There was some manipulation that took place, malicious actions taken against you. I feel like this is on your job. Like something happened. Oh, look. And right before I got ready, look, that's the truth. Something happened. What's going to be the final outcome for the week of March 11th through the 15th? King of Wands energy out here. Someone who's very practical, logical, optimistic, someone taking control of the situation. What's the final outcome of this King of Wands? The truth. Somebody's going to speak the truth pertaining to a matter so that they can move on from a situation. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah. Ten of Pentacles with the Five of Swords. Yeah, you may be offered something, Ten of Pentacles with the Five of Swords, due to some type of conflict, some type of bullying that happened. Ten of Pentacles, Five of Swords, you were bullied in a situation. At the bottom of the deck, we have Four of Swords. This outcome may allow you some time to retreat, regroup, collect your thoughts, get yourself together, get yourself back on track. That's what I'm hearing. Yeah. A Five of Page in the reverse. Yeah, you're going to be moving on. You're going to be able to forgive yourself, accept yourself. You're going to be able to recover from whatever this is that has taken place. Yep. Moving on again. High Priestess energy. Yeah. High Priestess, you're going to be using all of your intuition and everything that you know, everything you've been through. I feel like you're going to be moving on to calmer waters here, though. So if this is pertaining to your job, whatever you've been going through, yeah, there's not going to be any more conflict in your life. Yeah. Everything that you've been experiencing, there will be no more conflict. Yep. And at the bottom, Ace of Pentacles. New material offer coming into you. So hopefully this resonated, you guys. I'm going to go on and leave it here. Okay, so this is for the week of March 11th through the 15th. I feel like what's going on is, there's something pertaining to your work. Yep. All right. So hopefully you do resonate. Okay. Hopefully it resonates with you. Leave what does not, right? Flip the roles as you see fit. Okay. And do not try to make this your story if it is not. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Drop comments below. Take a look at the description box, please. There may be some gems in there for you. Definitely on my website, there is a free PDF, um, kind of like an electronic PDF file that I uploaded. There's some gems in there, so you can go in there and grab that, download it for yourself so that you're able to, see what the cards mean. All right. Okay. So thank you for all of your support. Thank you for all of the new subscribes. Hopefully this resonated with you. And until next time, you know what I love to say. Namaste.